So, hi guys. So, for most of us, our relationship with chemistry starts with a lot of fear. It starts with a textbook that feels too heavy, list of exceptions that don't make sense, and a periodic table that look more hypocrite than a map of the universe. We are tough early on. Chemistry is a subject to be cleared. It is like a hurdle. It's a rank in an exam, source of stress. But have you ever stopped to wonder why a subject that describes the very essence of reality feels so detached from reality? Why does the study of life, color, energy feel so lifeless in a classroom? So the problem is not in the subject itself. The problem is how we have been told to look at it. We have been taught to memorize the what, but we rarely explore the why. We are given the equations but not the story. We are shown the diagram but not the feeling. So, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Channel name is Dev Chem or ChemDev. I created this space because I believe chemistry is not just a subject for class 11th, class 12, or university degree. It is a way of thinking. It is a lens through which you can view the world from the screen you are watching this on to the thoughts firing in your brain right now. This channel is my attempt to fix the way we learn, actual learning. Whether you are student in high school, aspirants for NEET or G, or something pursuing your bachelor's or master's degree, this is a place where we can stop chasing the exam and start chasing the truth of the subject. Because I promise you, if you understand the truth, the exam becomes the easiest part of your life. So, how are we going to do this? What makes this channel different? Our approach here is built on a specific philosophy to understand a concept. You must know its history and you must see its future. In every video for every topic, for example, thermodynamics, we will start from here. So, for every topic, whether it's as simple as the mole concept, thermodynamics, or complex as molecular orbital theory, MOT, we will start at the origin itself. We will go back to the time when humanity did not know the answers. We will look at the mistakes the early scientists made. Why did they think that atom was a solid sphere? Why did they think fire was an element? It is important to learn the mistakes because the mistakes show us the logic. When you understand why the old models failed, the new models suddenly make perfect sense. So you don't have to memorize quantum mechanics. You will realize the quantum mechanics was the inevitable solution to the problem. From that origin, we will travel to modern days. We won't just stop at the textbook definitions. We will discuss what the topic means today, how it used in technology, how is it evolving in research papers. We will bring the gap between the history books and the modern laboratories. But beyond history, we need to talk about intuition. So chemistry is often called as a central science, yet it requires a lot of imagination. So you cannot see an atom with your naked eyes. You cannot see a bond breaking. You cannot see anything. You just have to assume it, and you have to build a mental model for that. So, on this channel, I want to teach you how to build that model, that mental model. I don't want to just give you definition of resonance. I want you to able to close your eyes and practically visualize the electron density flowing across a molecule like water flowing through a pipe. I want you to feel the tension in a strained ring. I want you to intuitively understand why a reaction happens. What is reaction? Reaction is nothing, just flowing of electron. यानी कि we have to treat the electron and proton. Sometimes the absence of electron is proton. So on this channel we teach you how to build that model. I don't want to just give you a definition of resonance, and I want you to feel the tension is strained ring. I want you to intuitively understand why a reaction happens, not because a rule says so, but because the energy demands it. We are going to treat chemistry practically. Even when we talk about theoretical concepts, we will ground them in reality. What does the topic really mean to live? How do I assume things practically? These are the questions we will answer. We will take the abstract mathematics and translate it into a physical picture that you can hold in your mind. So now you might be asking, is this channel for me also? If you are in class 11th or 12th, this is the foundation you are likely missing. Like in school, the rush to finish the syllabus often kills the curiosity. Here we will pause, we will breathe, we will build your concepts so strongly that when you go back to your class, the textbook will look easier. If you are NEET or Z aspirant, listen to me carefully. The biggest trap in competitive exams is superficial knowledge. You memorize a trick, you solve a question, and when you move on, but that knowledge is fragile. On this channel, we go deep. We focus on the fundamentals so thoughtfully that you won't need tricks. You will have understanding, and understanding is faster than any shortcut. So, and if you are BSc or MSc student, basically university student, this is your home too. I know that in university the jump in difficulty can be massive. We can move from simple bonds to complex spectroscopy and organometallics. We will cover those advanced topic here, but we do it with the same clarity and storytelling. We will we will dissect the advancements in the field, making the complex simple without losing its depth. I want to emphasize one thing. We are only restricted here. We are not restricted by a specific syllabus or board exam pattern. If a topic requires us to talk about physics, we will talk about physics also. If it requires biology, then we bring in biology. Chemistry does not exist in a vacuum, and neither will our lessons. We will connect the dots. So, we will talk about the philosophy of matter. We will talk about the entropy of the universe. We will talk about the why carbon is backbone of life and why silicon is the backbone of computers. We will explore the beauty of symmetry in inorganic crystals and the chaos of kinetics in reactions. So, to wrap this, I want to invite you on a journey. Learning chemistry shouldn't feel like downloading data into a hard drive. It should feel like opening your eyes. It is a study of change. It is a study of how the universe transforms. If you are tired of, memorizing and ready to start understanding, if you want to move from studying from the test to mastering the science, and if you want to see the world with a new level of clarity, then you are in the right place. You are going to build this knowledge topic by topic from the ground up to the sky. From the basic fundamentals particles to the advanced synthesis of modern drugs, we will cover it all. My name is Dev Trivedi, and this channel is ChemDev, and I look forward to learning with you. Let's get started.